Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn connect Redis with the Node.js. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Redis. So if you are the Linux user, so this is tutorial for you. First of all, you have to install the Redis servers like this. Okay, so go to the terminal. So let me open the terminal. Hope it will open. If it will not, then open it from here. Okay, so first of all, run this command. Put the password. And I think the Redis servers is the newest version, so it is installed. Moving to the next part, now enable the Redis. Okay, now start the Redis. Okay, now status of the Redis server, so it's there, right? Okay, so you can do the ping pong also. So if you run this one, so pong should be there, so that means it is set up properly. Now we have to go with the Redis with the Node.js. So first of all, install this package. So I'm going to install this package. Okay, right. Next, there is a code for connecting the Redis. So this is very simple code. So let's open the code base. Okay. So here I'm going to make it like new file rajni.js, and here I'm going to put my code over there for connecting the Redis, right? So import, right? And let's save this. Create client dot on that Redis error. If client connect, then set the name Rajnikant in the cache, and then you can retrieve that from here. Okay, let's go and just run this node Rajni. It's a CLI cd CLI app node Rajni.js. So you can see what we have done. So here we have set the name in the client, means Redis, and then you are going to just get that name and log that name, so it will print over here. That means Redis cache is working properly, right? And we have set up properly. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. In the coming videos we are going to do it with the API. So how we are going to make it, like, because in the API side, how the caching will work, we have to look into that. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.